Picture this. It's 2 in the morning, you're on call, grepping state files and going cross-eyed, scrolling dashboards, trying to figure out why your infrastructure doesn't match what you defined. Now imagine you've plugged your AI assistant into formae's MCP server and you just ask, what's running? What changed? And how do I fix this mess? And you get production-ready code ready to go. You might be thinking, what is formae? Well, it's an agent-based infrastructure as code platform. You run an agent and commands like apply, extract, and inventory execute asynchronously on an agent. Here's the flow I'd use for real. Understand, extract, patch, and apply. And don't blow up prod. Check the formae docs for prereqs, but for me, I installed JQ, Go, and formae itself. Ensure that formae is in your path and add AWS credentials to the session in which the agent is running. Fire up 2 terminals in an example project, run an inventory command, and check everything's healthy before giving AI the steering wheel. Now I'm connecting to Claude Code AI Assistant. In the formae docs, there's an AI Assistance integration guide. I'm registering and installing it from the Claude marketplace. After restarting the assistant can call formae tools while you chat. Setup done. Right, first prompt. Summarise what's in this stack by service and flag anything unmanaged or drifted. Instead of raw JSON, the assistant turns inventory into a story. Targets, key resources, and the bits that look suspicious. That collapses the what's going on phase from 30 minutes to around 30 seconds. Right, the next prompt. Show me the top 3 risky changes I could make right now and the safest small change that improves security even without executing anything. This is like having a senior teammate scanning your infrastructure model and taking you through the trade-offs. Now extraction. Say someone ClickOps something last quarter and I want it under control. I tell the assistant, extract that into formae and generate the minimal PKL needed to manage it. It guides the extract step and outputs schema-safe PKL you can review, real code that fits your repo. Patch time. Add versioning and a sensible encryption baseline. Keep it minimal, explain the blast radius. It responds with the smallest patch, plus a plain English explanation of what changes and why. If you disagree, iterate. Now also add a lifecycle rule, or remove that, keep it scoped. To apply, I usually run apply with watch mode for live progress. Because formae is agent-based, you can stop watching without stopping the operation, exactly what you want when you're juggling other fires. But this is where agent mode gets spicy. Instead of typing any commands, you just say, bring this under management and apply the patch, but stop before execution and show me the plan. It's really that simple, and you can really be in that much control with that little effort. 2 safety rules. Review the diff like a pull request and start in non-prod with least privilege. I genuinely highly recommend you try the formae AI agent mode today. The link is in the description, and subscribe for more walkthroughs that actually show you things working. Until next time, stay merge ready.